English sentence structure relies on the roles of subjects, verbs, and objects. Simple sentences and questions are formed by arranging these elements correctly. Nouns and pronouns act as subjects or objects within a sentence. Adjectives and adverbs modify nouns and verbs, respectively, adding detail. The focus is on acquiring common words and phrases for daily communication. Vocabulary is organized by topic, such as family, food, and travel. Visual aids, like images paired with words, enhance memorization. Flashcards are used as a technique for learning new vocabulary. Context clues are demonstrated as a method for understanding word meanings. These methods are designed to build a practical and useful vocabulary base. This module focuses on the foundational aspects of English pronunciation. It details the specific sounds associated with English vowels and consonants. The module emphasizes the differences in sounds between English and other languages. Phonetic symbols are introduced as a tool to improve pronunciation accuracy. Practice exercises are included to develop and refine speaking skills. These exercises incorporate minimal pairs and tongue twisters for targeted improvement.